Hey everybody, the running board of my Ford F-150 was loose, so I had to try to tighten that back up using the bracket. So I got the board and the C-clamp to hold everything in place while I drilled underneath the running board. The old bolt had rusted out, so I had to find a way to fix that. You see the C-clamp and you see the hole there. That's what the old bolt was, and it just rusted right on out. It actually pulled out away. So that's the bracket right there. You see the hole right there. So I drilled another hole. That's the hole I drilled. It goes through the bracket, all the way through the running board, up through the top of the running board. The running board has a rubber cover, so you just get a pry bar or a couple of screwdrivers and work that up. That way you can put the new bolt all the way through and tighten it from the bottom with a nut. So that yellow piece is just a retaining piece that holds it together. So you just prop that up. Like I said, you pull that rubber back and you put, that's the bolt I wound up using, is nice and long. Find you a long one, preferably with a square head will be better so you can grab it. Just make sure that you work the nut all the way up on the bolt before you cut it so you don't mess the threads up and it goes smoothly. And that's the bolt that I used, the old rusty one I had in the shed. That's the head of it. It's a Phillips head, but I prefer that you use something with a square head or something you can put a wrench or a ratchet over. But at any rate, you put the board and the C clamp, hold it together, drill all the way through, put the new bolt back through that underneath that rubber, and just make sure you use your drill, your gloves. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.